Good morning. Welcome back in our math session. So, let's see that on 25th April 2020, Saturday, what have we studied up till now? Okay, in math, what have we completed? Missing numbers completed, number names completed, place value, before, after and between, comparing numbers, greater than, less than and equal to. You all have studied ordering of numbers, ascending and descending order, that you have completed till here. After that we have expanded form. Expanded form, that is related to place value. Okay. If we'll have a quick revision of this place value, this one, then we'll understand more about the expanded form. So let's have the quick revision of place value. Before to start expanded form, let's have revision of place value first. Although you have studied, but let's revise it. Okay, what is the place value? The place of a digit depends upon its place in the number. The place of a digit depends upon its place in the number. Okay. Let's see another way. Hello kids. Today we are going to study about place value. In place value we'll study about the number at which place they are. Okay. In your last class or in your previous class you must have studied. See that. As 4, 5, 45. 4, 5, 45. 5 is at ones place. 5 ones. O for ones, T for tens. Okay. 5 is at ones place and 4 is at tens place. 4 tens. Okay. 5 is at ones place, 4 is at tens place. 5 ones means no number, nothing is after 5. 5 के बाद कुछ नहीं है, so we will write it alone. 5. 4 के बाद क्या है? One number is that, one digit. After 4, one number, so we will write 4 and for that number 0. 40. After 5, nothing, so 5 is alone. After 4, one number, so 4, 0, 40. Our value is 5 ones, 4 tens, 40. Tens means 1 digit. Okay, 1, 10. Again 6. How will write 6 as a place value? 6 at which place? 6 ones and 2 at tens. Okay. 6 at ones place and 2 at tens place. Tens place means after 2, one digit. After 2, one digit. So 1, 0. After 6, no digit, no number. 6 is alone. So we'll write 6. 6 ones, 2 at tens place. 20. Okay. This is the place value of 2 and 6. If I ask what is the place value of 2, the 2 is at tens place and 6 is at ones place. Okay children. Again in that one 87. This is 87. 7 is at 7 ones and 8 ones or tens. 8. After 8, is there any number? Yes. if after 8 there is number, so we'll write 8 at tens place. So 7 ones means 7 alone. Tens means 10, 80. In another way we can study. See that. Write the place value. Place value of 5. What we will write? 5 ones. And 9 tens. T-E-N-S, tens. 5 at ones and 9 is at tens. Okay, go for next. 79. 9. Let's take 9. 9 alone. And 7. 7. What is the place of 7? Tens or ones? Tens. And place of 9 is 1. O. O for ones. And after 7 there is one number. If there is number, then we'll write 10. If there are two numbers, we'll write 20. Okay. Now we are studying about that 7. 70 means 7 tens. Okay. In 186, now you'll have to find out 6, 8, 1. There are 3 digits. Now let's go for fast. H. 100 you must have studied. It is 186. H for 100. T for tens. O for ones. So how will we study? 6. No number is after that. 6 at ones place. 6 ones. 8. See that. 8 tens place. 8 is at tens place. And 1. 1 is at 100 place. 100. 100, 8 tens, 6 ones. In the other way, we'll write 186. 6 is at ones place, 8 is at tens place, and 1 is at 100 place. 6 club place have ones place, 8 tens, and 1 100 के place पे. In other way, we'll write. See that? In other way, how we can write? This one. As counting beads. As we can count beads. 4. See that 3? Place value on beads. Abacus. In junior classes, in UKG standard 1, we have studied about abacus, beads. See that 3, that means 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. 4 tens. How many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4. If I make only beads, I'll tell you to write the number. You can write number also after counting these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. Okay, 43. In the same way, 2. 1, 2. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it easy, children? It's just like a game. 1. 1 bead. 2. 1. 2 beads are there. What number is there? 3. 1, 2, 3. In our coming classes, we'll just do the activity also. We'll do the craft work regarding place value. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1. 2 number is there. 1 and 2. Okay. There we have studied on beads. Place value on beads. There the place value in this way, in a block. Okay. and now the place value as an arrow. Fine, children. Now in the more easier way, how will we study? Another way. Let's see it. If I give you the game as, if I ask you on the other way, let's check it. I have something for you. See that. What I have? I give you number. I give you number. Look at this. You can also make it at your home. Okay. The number is 153. Okay. 153. If I ask you what is the place of 5, what is the place of 1 and 3, we'll just remove one graph paper. 3 is at, no number is there after 3, no number, so 3 is at 1's place. Okay, alone. There is one number, 5 is at 50 and 1 is at 100 place. 150. To understand in the easier way, you can make this graph also. Okay, 153. The place of 1 is 100. 1s, 10s, 100. 100, 10s, 1s. 3 is at 1's place, 5 is at 100 place, and 5 is at 10's place, and 1 is at 100 place. Okay. Another one. 6, 5 and 2. Okay. 6, 5 and 2. What is that? 652. How many numbers after 6? How many numbers? There are 2 numbers. 5 and 2. 2 numbers. So 100 places. 6. 2 numbers are there after 5. So 600. How many numbers after 5? There is only one number. So 5 is at 50. And 2 after 2, no number. So 2 is alone. 1's place. 652. Okay, children. In this way, we can understand it in a easier way. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Well, now the assignment time, homework time. See that? I have homework for you. In 45, 5 is at which place? 1s or 10s? You have to write there. In 26, 2 is at which place? Write it in the blanks. In 24, 124, 2 is at place. In 198, 1 is at place. In 29, I have marked it. You have to write the place value of these numbers. Okay. In 191, 1 place value of 1. In 29, place value of 9. In 75, place value of 7. 100 or 10s or 1s. If 2. In 321, place value of 3 is at, you have to write there. Okay. That's all for today.